Masquera say Mure Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kanakari kutanka kukuya paneno channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchingwa gara waka subscribe, don't forget to comment and share this video. Mure Zimbabwe, taluigirai nyaya yabulitswa na Christopher Mutsvangwa uyanova the ZANU-PF party spokesperson akabuda achitaura pamusoro pema succession battles ari kuitika mubato rezANU-PF muri Zimbabwe. Akabuda achitaura nema journalist pamusoro pe nyaya yema replacements president NaMnangagwa kuti when is he going to be replaced and ndiani acha replace. Ndofunga pane mivunzo yakawanda circulator around the country ana uri kuda kuziya kuti is president NaMnangagwa really campaigning for a third term bid kana kuti is going to be succeeded and kana vakurunzi vari kusucceedwa who is going to be president NaMnangagwa's successor. Ndofunga recently president NaMnangagwa vakaita a surprise reshuffle within the ZANU-PF party's politburo, a move yakaonekwa na vanhu vazhinji yakabva yalinkwa nema succession issues ekuti there is a challenge within the party ahead of my 2028 elections. Vanhu vazhinji vaitaura vachiti the Mike Bima uyanga ari ZANU-PF commissar anga ari linked kunana Christopher Mutsvangwa, and he was not pushing for a slogan ekuti 2030 NaMnangagwa anenge vachipo. That's the reason why akabiswa as the ZANU-PF commissar akaitwa just a ZANU-PF politburo member. So Christopher Mutsvangwa akabuda achitaura on these issues. Akabuda achitaura yachiti, I want to reiterate the president won an election last August securing a 5-year term. The next election is in 2028. Currently, he is focused on fulfilling the promises of the previous elections manifesto, which he is doing excellently in many ways. And these are the issues occupying our president's time, not compressing the 4 to 5 years of his term into a succession issue right now. Succession is not the primary purpose of his election. He was elected to build a mandate of prosperity. Nozwakabuda achitaurwa na Christopher Mutsvangwa achitaura yachiti succession I see a primary issue for the president since he is focusing on building the country and fulfilling manifesto yebato rezANU-PF. And funga recently pane moves ari kunzi ari kuitwa neZANU-PF ayo ari kuita kunge they are pushing for an agenda yekuti amend the constitution kuti extend tenure ya president NaMnangagwa beyond his constitutionally mandated term. And funga pane party slogans ari kuitwa nemasongs ari kuimbwa achisuggesta iwo kuti president NaMnangagwa 2030 vanenge vachiripo. Vamwe vachitaura kuti 2030 vaMnangagwa vanenge vachingotonga. Zvakare statements akabuditswa nevanhu vachisuggesta achitaura kuti there is a plot behind politburo reshuffle yakaitwa napresident NaMnangagwa. Asi Christopher Mutsvangwa abuda achiramba maplans aya achitaura achiti if the president wants anything, he bring it to the politburo, the central committee, and eventually the Congress. We have not discussed this issue at that level, so there is no reason to fan flames of something that is not on the party's agenda. Zvakabuda zvitaurwa na Christopher Mutsvangwa. The late night politburo reshuffle yakaitwa haina kunge affect Christopher Mutsvangwa despite being at the center of controversy after aka-accuse ZANU-PF colleagues ake kuti vaka-orchestrata kusungwa kwemwana wake ana kunge abatwa. He is still the ZANU-PF spokesperson. Taura kwatiri kuita Mutsvangwa akabuda achiti he is not under pressure from Mnangagwa or anyone in ZANU-PF. Achitaura achiti he survived my challenges akawanda before and he would continue to do so. Akavunzwa achinzi achakavunzwa nemajournalist during the interview yaaitwa akataura achiti, do you see any flames around me? I'm not under any fire. I'm here, a son of the revolution, and I will always be here. Zvakabuda zvitaurwa naChristopher Mutsvangwa muZimbabwe. Tisingazivi kuti munoonawo sei nyaya yaburitswa naChristopher Mutsvangwa iyi, zvakare nemareshuffles ari kuitwa mubato reZANU-PF.
I'm not under fire. That's why I'm here. Is there any way here? Do you see any burning flames around me? Yeah, I'm not. What was it in South Africa? I'm not under fire. I'm good. I'm good. I always good. I'm a child of the revolution. I've been many things in the past, and I'm around. And I'll be around. Thank you.
The Children of Zimbabwe War Veterans Association yakabuda ichitaura iyo ichiti Christopher Mutsvangwa is under pressure. Vachitaura vachiti war veterans vari kuda kuti Christopher Mutsvangwa abviswe papost yake yechairperson yema-war vet. Akataura iyo achiti, as the Chris Mutsvangwa saga continues, war veterans are vying for his expulsion from the chairperson post. Questions are being asked. Why was Mutsvangwa not on US sanctions? Also, Old Mutual and other companies are being investigated for their links in naval economic sabotage. Vakabuda zvakare vachikomenta on reshuffle yakaitwa ZANU-PF Politburo, vachitaura vachiti the Secretary for Commissariat, the former Secretary for Commissariat, Mike Bima, vakabviswa on this position nenyaya yekuti he was aligned to Mutsvangwa's faction, since apparently Emerson Mnangagwa is dealing with Mutsvangwa. Vakabuda vachiti, who is Comrade Munyaradzi Machacha? He is the new ZANU-PF Secretary for Commissariat, a well-known security guy and strategist. He is from Midlands. Machacha is loyal to the First Family. Bima was kicked out for aligning himself to Mutsvangwa faction. Apparently, ED is dealing with Mutsvangwa. Tisingazive kuti munyaya yechokwadi here kana kuti asi Mutsvangwa abuda. Achitaura achiti he is under pressure. Zvakare akabuda achitaura achiti the president is not focused on succession, he is focusing on building the nation. Recently, Newsworks yakanga yabuda ichikomenta on zvikuitika mubato reZANU-PF yabuda ichiti President Emerson Mnangagwa has made surprise changes in the ZANU-PF Politburo, the party's supreme decision-making body, amid reports that he wants to amend the constitution to facilitate his secret plan to hang on to power beyond 2028 constitutional limit. To execute that mission, the ZANU-PF leader brought back trusted political ally Patrick Chinamasa to legal affairs. Chinamasa, as Justice Minister, and Mnangagwa, Rural Housing Minister, were tasked by the late former President Robert Mugabe in 2005 and 2006 to change the constitution to harmonize the general elections by moving the presidential and parliamentary polls to 2010.